Hey everyone, it's Meredith Plunkett. Today I'm going to show you how I use a straightener to get the perfect beach waves. Yes, I said a straightener. It's a trick that I learned a few years ago from a stylist, and I've used it ever since. It is so easy, it cuts down on the amount of tools you need, and it creates the perfect carefree beach wave every time. There are a few products involved, which I'll make sure to link to, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is section out our hair. So I don't know about you, but I don't have a ton of time. I have 3 feral children running around. I need to get this done fast. So I section my hair out with a clip into one section. If you have more time, feel free to do 4 different quadrants. Go to town. It's your time. Whatever you have time for, you do. So go ahead and clip that up. Now I'll brush out the hair. I love this brush that has boar's hair bristles. It really helps to get the knots out, but doesn't like yank the hair, which is nice. So what you always want to make sure you do is use some heat protectant. I really love this Orlando Pita heat protectant. It goes on really smooth, and you really want to make sure you use heat protectant. It's easy to just say, oh, let's skip this step, who needs it? But it's really important to protect your hair. You don't want fried hair, trust me. And I forgot to mention that before you do this, you can let your hair dry however you want. If you're in a rush, go ahead and blow dry it. You can put some product in to protect it then. You can let it air dry overnight. I do that a lot. There's no set way that your hair needs to be before you get started. So now I'm going to use my Remington 1-inch straightener. I haven't been able to find this model on the market, but I found one that's similar, and it's under $25. This thing is cheap and it works. To get started, you're going to take a section of hair, and I try to get, about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hair, and you're gonna clamp near the top, and then all you're going to do is twist the hair around the straightener in the direction of your head, and then just pull it on through. Look at that, perfect curl. You just kind of keep going through like that. You can take bigger pieces, you can take smaller pieces. Sometimes, because my hair is naturally kind of poofy wavy, that's what I call it. I don't know what the technical term is, but that's what I'm doing. I go ahead and I won't even do every strand sometimes. I miss some because like when you're in a hurry in the morning, you have kids yelling at you because they can't find their backpack, or your youngest wants to wear a Halloween bow in February. True story. You don't have a lot of time to do this. And a lot of times when I get to the back, I just kind of feel around and guess. Like I'm not pulling out a mirror and trying to find every individual strand. I mean, what do I look like? I don't even look. You see, I'm just grabbing hair, twisting around. I'm telling you, once you get good at this, it is like second nature. The first few times, you're gonna twist all different ways and be like, what am I doing? But it's like riding a bike. So now I go through on the other side, twist inwards and pull through. Okay, so once I have curled all the pieces that I want to curl, I don't leave it like this. Now, if this is the look you're going for, that's fine, but this is what I call my like Southern toddlers and tiaras hair. It's just a little too tight. I let it cool a little bit first because it's still a little warm from the heat, and I don't want to put in any product while it's still warm, so let it cool down for a little bit. And then the last thing I do is I use this hairspray that is a texture and hold hairspray. It's by Color Proof, and I absolutely love it. It gives that really nice hold without feeling sticky. Like, it's not an Aquanet, no offense, 80s moment. I'm from Jersey, I can say that stuff, okay? So I love to use this stuff. It is amazing. It helps to break up the curls a bit. I'll spray it, then I'll break them up so that I still have that body and I still have the curls, but they're just not as, Shirley Temple. So the first thing I do is I'll actually flip my head over. I don't know how this is gonna go on camera, but let's do it. And I'll just spray and kind of run my hands through my hair. I can't see what this looks like on camera, so like, then I'll flip it back up. Ooh, sometimes it ends up a little bigger than I want. Another spray, and then I'm just kind of running my fingers through. Just moving the hair around, breaking things up so it looks just a little calmer than it did. And then I always like to get the front because I'm one of those people, I hate the feeling of hair in my face. It's the most annoying thing. So I'll do like a little extra hold in the front, and there you have it. That's all you have to do to get these fun, beachy, carefree waves. It's my favorite under 10-minute trick to do your hair, look like you've spent a long time doing it, and get out of the house or walk around the house, whatever you're gonna do today, while feeling good.